Excuse me, is this the Riverside Sports Club?
Yes, it is. Welcome. Are you here for football practice?
Yes, I am. My name is David. This is actually my first time joining a sports club.
Nice to meet you, David. I'm Emma. Don't worry, you're in the right place.
Nice to meet you too, Emma. I was a little nervous before coming here.
That's completely normal. Almost everyone feels that way on their first day.
Really? I thought everyone else would already know each other.
Many of us do, but we also have new members every month. Everyone remembers what it's like to be new.
That makes me feel a lot better.
I'm glad to hear that. What made you decide to join our club?
Well, I've been sitting at my desk too much lately. I wanted to exercise more and hopefully make some new friends.
That's one of the best reasons to join. We play football, but we also enjoy spending time together after practice.
That sounds great. I was hoping it would be more than just sports.
It definitely is. We have students, teachers, engineers, office workers, and even a few retirees. It's a friendly community.
That's interesting. So people of all ages can join?
Of course. As long as you enjoy being active and respect your teammates, you'll fit right in.
I like that. I haven't played football for quite a while, though.
That's perfectly okay. Some members play every week, while others haven't touched a football in years.
That's good news for me.
Nobody expects you to be perfect. We're here to improve, have fun, and support each other.
I really like that attitude.
Thanks. We believe sports should help people feel healthier and happier, not more stressed.
I couldn't agree more.
Have you played with a team before?
Only in high school. We used to play during lunch breaks, but that was several years ago.
Then you already have some experience. It'll probably come back faster than you think.
I hope so. I'm sure I'll make a few mistakes today.
Everyone makes mistakes. Even our best players miss easy passes sometimes.
Really?
Absolutely. That's football. 1 minute you feel like a superstar, and the next minute you wonder where the ball went.
Haha. That actually makes me feel much less nervous.
Good. If we're laughing, we're usually having a good time.
I like your way of thinking.
Thanks. By the way, did you come here alone today?
Yes. I recently moved to this neighborhood, so I don't know many people yet.
Well, that's going to change. By the end of today's practice, I'm sure you'll already know a few names.
I hope you're right.
I'm quite confident. Everyone here enjoys meeting new people.
That's exactly what I was looking for.
Perfect. Before practice starts, let me show you around the club. I'll introduce you to a few teammates and explain how everything works.
I'd really appreciate that. Thank you so much.
You're very welcome, David. Let's go.
Wow, this place is much bigger than I expected.
It does look small from the outside, but we have everything we need.
I can already hear people talking and laughing.
That's because everyone arrives a little early. It's a good time to catch up before practice.
I like the atmosphere. It feels very welcoming.
That's what we try to create. Sports are more enjoyable when people feel comfortable.
Where do we go first?
Let's start with the locker room. You can leave your backpack there.
Great. I wasn't sure where to put my things.
Every player has a locker during practice. Just choose any empty one.
That's convenient.
Do you have football shoes with you?
Yes, they're in my bag.
Perfect. You'll also need a bottle of water. Staying hydrated is very important.
I brought one. I read that it's important to drink water before and after exercise.
Exactly. You're already prepared.
I'm trying my best.
That's all anyone can ask for.
What time does practice usually begin?
We start at exactly 6 o'clock.
Everyone seems very relaxed.
That's because we always spend the first 15 minutes warming up.
I haven't done a proper warm-up in years.
Then today is a good day to start again.
What kind of warm-up do you usually do?
We begin with light jogging, then some stretching, And finally, a few simple passing drills.
That doesn't sound too difficult.
It's not. The goal is to prepare your body and avoid injuries.
That makes sense.
Football is much more enjoyable when everyone stays healthy.
I completely agree.
Let me introduce you to our coach.
Sure.
He's talking to a few players right now.
He looks friendly.
He is. Coach Michael always encourages new members.
That's good to know.
He believes that confidence is just as important as skill.
I like that idea.
Skill improves with practice. A positive attitude helps from the very beginning.
That's encouraging.
Over there is our equipment room.
What's inside?
Footballs, training cones, practice bibs, first aid supplies, and a few extra pairs of gloves.
You really have everything.
We try to be prepared for every practice.
Do players bring their own footballs?
Some do, but the club provides enough for everyone.
That's helpful for beginners like me.
Exactly. We want joining the club to be easy.
I noticed some people are wearing different colored shirts.
Those are practice bibs. We use them to separate the teams.
I've seen them before, but never knew what they were called.
Now you do.
I'm already learning something before practice even starts.
That's a good sign.
How many people usually come each week?
Normally between 20 and 30 players.
That's a nice number.
Yes. It's enough for exciting games, but not so many that people don't get a chance to play.
That's perfect.
We also rotate players, so everyone gets time on the field.
I appreciate that.
We want everyone to enjoy themselves, no matter their skill level.
That takes away a lot of pressure.
Good. Remember, today isn't about being the best player.
Then, what's the goal?
Meet new people, have fun, learn something new, and leave with a smile.
I think I can do that. ...
I'm sure you can.
Thanks for explaining everything.
You're welcome. Practice will begin in just a few minutes.
I think I'm finally starting to relax.
That's exactly what I wanted to hear.
So, what happens next?
Next, we'll head onto the field, meet your teammates, and start our first training session together.
I'm ready. Let's do it. This field looks amazing.
It does, doesn't it? We all take good care of it.
I can already feel my heart beating faster.
That's excitement, not fear.
I hope you're right.
Trust me. In 5 minutes, you'll forget you were nervous.
I hope so.
Come on. Let's meet the rest of the team.
Sure.
Everyone, this is David. It's his first practice with us.
Hi, everyone. Nice to meet you.
See? They're already smiling.
That makes me feel welcome.
Good. That's exactly what we want.
So, where should I stand?
Stay beside me for now.
Okay.
We're about to start our warm-up.
I'm ready.
First, we'll jog slowly around the field.
That sounds easy enough.
Don't worry about being fast.
That's good, because I'm definitely not the fastest person here.
Speed comes later. Today is about getting comfortable.
I like hearing that.
Great. Let's begin.
The weather is perfect today.
Yes, it's one of the best evenings we've had this month.
I almost didn't come because I was feeling nervous.
I'm really glad you did.
Me too.
Okay, now let's stretch.
Which muscles should I focus on?
Your legs, your hips, and your shoulders.
I forgot how important stretching is.
Many people do. A good warm-up helps prevent injuries.
I'll definitely remember that.
Excellent.
What's next?
Passing practice.
Finally, the football.
Exactly.
I haven't kicked a ball in years.
Then, let's make today your fresh start.
I'll do my best.
That's all anyone expects.
Here goes.
Nice pass.
Really?
Absolutely. Good control, too.
Thanks. That gives me some confidence.
Confidence grows one good pass at a time.
I like that saying.
Keep your eyes up before you pass.
Like this?
Perfect.
Hey, that actually felt much better.
See? You're learning already.
I think I'm starting to remember how to play.
Your body remembers more than you think.
Oops. I missed that one.
That's okay.
Sorry.
No need to apologize.
Really?
Of course not. Mistakes are part of learning.
Thanks for being so patient.
We were all beginners once.
That's true.
Ready for another pass?
Always.
Great pass.
Yes.
Nice job.
That felt really good.
You're improving with every minute.
You're making me believe that.
Because it's true.
What happens after passing practice?
We'll play a short game.
Already?
Don't worry, it's just for fun.
I was afraid you'd say that.
You'll have a great time.
I hope I don't let my team down.
David.
Yeah?
Nobody wins or loses today.
Really?
Today's goal is simple.
What's that?
Enjoy the game.
I can do that.
Exactly.
Thanks for encouraging me.
Anytime.
I think I'm finally starting to feel like part of the team.
That's wonderful to hear.
I didn't expect to feel this comfortable so quickly.
Sometimes, all we need is one friendly welcome.
I couldn't agree more.
All right, everyone.
Looks like the game is about to start.
Yes, let's go have some fun.
Let's do it. Wow, I'm tired.
That's a good sign.
Really?
It means you worked hard today.
I haven't exercised like that in a long time. Thanks. I made quite a few mistakes, though.
Everyone does. Even experienced players have bad days.
That's true.
The important thing is that you kept trying.
I almost gave up during the running drills.
But you didn't.
No, I kept hearing your voice saying, keep going.
I'm glad it helped.
It definitely did.
Here, have some water.
Thanks. I didn't realize how thirsty I was.
Staying hydrated after exercise is just as important as before.
I'll remember that next time.
So, how was your first practice?
Honestly, it was much more fun than I expected.
That's wonderful to hear.
Before I came, I thought everyone would be very competitive.
Some people are competitive.
But
Most of us are just happy to play together.
I could really feel that today.
That's the spirit of this club.
I noticed everyone encouraged each other.
We believe football should bring people together.
I like that idea.
Winning is nice,
Of course.
but friendship lasts much longer than any game.
That's a great way to think about it.
Thanks.
How long have you been a member here?
Almost 3 years.
3 years?
Time goes by quickly when you're having fun.
Why did you join?
I had just moved to this city.
Just like me.
Exactly.
So you didn't know anyone either.
Not a single person.
Really?
I was nervous on my first day too.
That's hard to imagine.
Believe me, I was much quieter than you.
I don't believe that.
It's true.
What changed?
People were kind to me.
Just like you were kind to me today.
That's why I always try to welcome new members.
I really appreciate it.
Someday, you'll probably do the same for someone else.
I hope so.
I'm sure you will.
Can I ask you something?
Of course.
How often do you come here?
Every Wednesday and Saturday.
Twice a week?
Yes. It's become part of my routine.
I'd like to do that too.
Consistency is more important than being perfect.
That's good advice.
Little by little, you'll become stronger and more confident.
I already feel more confident than I did 2 hours ago.
See? That's progress.
You're right.
And this is only your first day.
I'm actually looking forward to next week's practice.
That's the best thing you could have said.
I didn't expect to enjoy it this much.
Sometimes the hardest part is simply showing up.
I almost stayed home today.
Imagine what you would have missed.
New friends.
Exactly.
Good exercise.
Yes,
And a lot of laughs.
definitely.
I'm really glad I came.
So are we.
I didn't know everyone stayed after practice.
We don't always.
Really?
But many of us like to grab a coffee or a snack before going home.
That sounds nice.
It's one of my favorite parts of the day.
More football talk?
Sometimes.
What do you usually talk about?
Work, family, movies, travel, food, almost anything.
So it's more like friends spending time together.
Exactly.
I really like that.
Would you like to join us today?
Are you sure?
Of course.
I don't want to interrupt your group.
You won't.
Really?
We invited you because we'd like you to come.
Well, in that case, I'd love to join.
Great.
Thanks for inviting me.
You're very welcome.
There's a coffee shop across the street, isn't there?
Yes,
Have you been there before?
many times.
Is the coffee good?
Very good.
What about the food?
Their sandwiches are delicious.
Sounds perfect.
I think you'll like it.
I already feel like today has been a really good day.
I'm happy to hear that.
This morning, I almost decided not to come.
What changed your mind?
I told myself that trying something new might be worth it.
That was a smart decision.
I think so too.
Sometimes one small decision can lead to something wonderful.
Like meeting new friends.
Exactly.
You know, dot.
What?
I was worried that everyone would judge me because I wasn't very good.
Nobody here expects perfection.
I realized that today.
We care much more about kindness than skill.
That's probably why everyone seems so relaxed.
I think so.
It's a very positive environment.
We work hard to keep it that way.
I appreciate that.
Thanks.
I'd like to come again next Saturday.
We'd love to see you again.
What time should I arrive?
Around 5:30 is perfect.
That gives me enough time to warm up.
Exactly.
Maybe next week I'll play a little better.
I'm sure you will.
And maybe I'll remember everyone's names.
Don't worry.
Why not?
It took me almost a month to remember them all.
Really?
Yes.
That makes me feel better.
See, you're worrying less already.
You're right.
That's another kind of progress.
Thanks again for everything today.
It was my pleasure.
I'm really glad I came.
We're really glad you came too.
I think joining this club was one of the best decisions I've made this year.
And I think this is just the beginning.
I hope so.
Welcome to the team, David.
Thank you, Emma.
Ready for that coffee?
Absolutely.
Let's go.
Let's go.